goes. Hey everybody, I'm the Presidential Tourist here at Disney Springs. Gonna eat at Splitsville. Today's my birthday. My mom's with me. We're hanging out with some friends, Gina and Tropical Nerds and her family. So hey, let's get in there. Always great to spend some time with good friends and a really cool looking place. So let's get in there. I've been wanting to eat here forever. Alright, let's get to it. So a little bit more on the outside. Yeah, this is a big place. Awesome. And a lot of outdoor seating and a bar too. This place is huge.
You got like a little cold or maybe like a little bit of kennel cough when we had boarded him. Yeah, he's been like really heavy breathing, and then we were like, oh, he's getting better, and then yesterday he just threw up at like 3 in the morning.
They knew he'd give him a pill for kennel cough and it'll go away.
Yeah, he's been vaccinated for it. He just, who knows, he just gets all hypered up when he goes somewhere that's not at home.
Yeah, they're like people, I'll tell you.
Well, they're just around a bunch of weird germs. Just like if you take your kid to a daycare that they've never been to, you know, they could come home with.
That's my favorite. Gotta be. I can't drink liquor. I'm kind of stupid.
Here's the beach bum. That looks cool.
I almost ordered a margarita myself, but I thought.
Salad. Look at this. Here it is, everyone.
It's been again not like this.
There's the poke bowl and the 3 different deluxe rolls. Which,
Flowers.
yeah, they have those are real edible flowers.
And again.
There's what's that stuff called again?
Ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah, I eat that.
But here it is. That looks awesome.
Wow.
And it smells really good too.
Want to try anything?
This place is huge. And there's a bar over there. And of course, the bowling alley, which I'll show a close-up in a minute. This has a lot of space. And then there's even upstairs. Steps in an elevator to get up there. I'm not going to show too much around here because this place is really big and it would take all day, but I'm going to try to shoot upstairs quickly and show you. You can actually rent bowling shoes there and everything. I was never much of a bowler, but definitely pretty cool. I'll check upstairs in a little bit. Alright, we're going to go upstairs quickly, see what it looks like up there. I don't know why it's not focusing. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know why you're not focusing. I'm trying to show this. There you go, like it wants to. There it goes. Oh no, you're not focusing for some reason. For some reason, we're not focused coming up here. And there's a bowling alley up here too. That is cool. I've never been, excuse me, I've never been up here. And then there's a bowling alley right there. Was that like a foos table or something? Of course, you can rent the shoes up here too. Not going to spend too long because this place is huge. I'm just going to give you an idea. Just take a peek outside. You can see a good look at that balloon, then we'll head down. Looks like it's $20 per person. If you want a bull, this would be a cool place to do it at. Go look out the window, then head down. I'm kind of like an old fogey because I'm using this kind of camera, I've been told. Indiana Jones. That's cool. Look at the balloon over there. Yeah, a lot of people film just with their phone now, but I still like doing the old stuff. Look at a gigantic donut. Okay. Let's show it quickly. Let's head on down. There's an elevator coming up here. I think they have regular stairs too, I thought I seen. Oh yeah, here we go. I haven't been on an elevator in forever. Or not elevator, escalator. I'll get the wrap up on how the food was a little later, but, well, it'll be a little later for me, but it'll be instantly for you. Okay, cool. Awesome. Probably when I get home, I'll give a wrap up when I thought of the food, but it was great. Alright, I just wanted to give a quick wrap up of what I thought of Splitsville. Sorry for not showing the inside of the place very long. It was my birthday. I was hanging out with some good friends and just enjoying myself. And I just wanted to put more time into that. First off, I want to thank Gina from Tropical Nerds and her family for coming and celebrating my birthday with me. That was very kind of them. I don't get a chance to do anything like that very often. So to have them there, Gina and her husband Dylan and her kids, they're good friends, they're good people, and I'm glad I got to know them. That's what's so amazing about YouTube. I got to meet some really good people like Gina and her family. And I'm not sure if you see this, Gina, but thank you. It means a lot to Mom and I, your kindness that you and your family has showed us, and I appreciate being there and celebrating my birthday with me. And I'll make sure I put Gina's YouTube channel below. First off, with the theming of the place. Obviously, it's themed around bowling. I've never been a huge fan of bowling. The reason why I wanted to eat there, because it just looked like a cool restaurant. I walked through that place a couple times, and I always thought, you know what, this would be a cool place to eat at, and it is. And first off, it's massive. There's a lot of space there. I didn't realize there was an upstairs, which I showed you briefly. It's really coolly themed. I liked it, and yeah. Second, with regard to the food, that sushi plate we got, and I took a picture of what it's called, the Rolls Rice, I believe, was fantastic. That tuna poke bowl in the middle was so good. That was a little spicy, but the sushi and everything was so fresh. That raw tuna was just scrumptious. I liked that they had 3 different kinds of sushi roll. In the description it tells you which ones it is. They had bits of ginger, they had real flowers, was orchids for you to eat on it. The presentation was just beautiful. It's pricey, that was $77, but I think it was worth it because Mom and I, we both split that. That's enough for 2 people to split. And you got a lot of good stuff. That drink I got, I think it was called Beach Bum. I'll make sure exactly. I took a picture of the sign or the menu description. I will put the link to where you can get the full menu because you'll be able to see that online far better than I can show you on my camera. That was good. You know, I wasn't sure which drink to get. There was kind of a mixture. I mean, it had several different kinds, but I got that because it was a mixture of like 4 different icy drinks. And there was alcohol in. I don't know which one, because surprisingly, that one did not tell you what the exact alcohol there's in it. But I didn't find it really strong or nothing. It was very good, and I'm glad I got it. I thought the presentation with the different colors, it looked really pretty. But yeah, it was great. The food was really good. We had great company and enjoyed ourselves a lot. I definitely like Splitsville. I definitely have to go back there. I know my mom wants to go again, but she really liked that sushi. I gotta get a business card, because normally I collect business cards from different cool places I visit, and I forgot to grab one or ask them if they had one there. I'm sure they do, so I definitely gotta go back and get one of their cards. Other than that, I mean, that's really all I have to say. It's a cool looking restaurant with great food, and I definitely enjoyed it. I definitely recommend for you to try out Splitsville. It's a unique restaurant. It's a big restaurant. Oh, and the one who checked us in for the reservation and the waitress, they were all super nice. I did do a reservation in that place. Reservations are not, I mean, it depends where you go, but I think reservations are encouraged because you guarantee a seat. If we didn't have a reservation to go there today, I'm pretty sure we would have been able to get in there. They did have enough space. So it's not 100% you need it, but I do recommend just to be certain. Because sometimes they get pretty busy there at Disney Springs. But that's it. Other than that, yeah. It was a great day and a great time there at Splitsville. I'm glad I went. I've been wanting to eat there for a long time, and it was definitely a really cool restaurant with great food, and we got hung out with great people. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. I will include some pictures of the food, which you've probably seen me when I'm talking, but I usually include it there. I'll put it at the end, and then I'll put the link below where you can find Splitsville's menu and where you can find Tropical Nerds channel. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. Yeah.